Ethereum ETFs have seen steady growth since their U.S. debut in July 2024. Kanye West's YZY token 51,000 traders lost $74 million. Let's take a closer look at what these moves mean for traders like us. Ethereum ETFs have seen steady growth since their U.S. debut in July 2024, while corporate treasuries tied to the token are also on the rise. Inflows into Ether funds climbed 44% this month, rising from $9.5 billion on August 1st to $13.7 billion on August 28th. According to Strategic ETH Reserve, companies now hold 4.4 million ETH, or 3.7% of supply, worth $19.18 billion. Bitcoin whales are selling more of the Bitcoin to gain exposure to Ethereum. The move signals a market's natural rotation into Ether and other altcoins with more upside potential. Whales are buying hundreds of millions of Ethereum. 9 massive whale addresses bought a cumulative $456 million worth of Ethereum. Ethereum is seeing the largest validator exodus in crypto history, with over 1 million Ether tokens currently waiting to be withdrawn from staking through Ethereum's proof-of-stake network. Ethereum's execu surpassed 1 million Ether, worth $4.96 billion on Thursday. This marks the amount of Ether set for withdrawal by the network's validators, who are responsible for adding new blocks and verifying transactions in proposed blocks, playing a vital role in the functioning of the blockchain network. While this does not mean that all the validators are looking to sell their holdings, a significant portion of the almost $5 billion may be sold to lock in profits, considering that Ether has risen 72% over the past 3 months. More than 51,000 traders lost on Kanye West's recently launched memecoin, highlighting potential risks to trading celebrity-endorsed tokens with no technological utility. Of the 70,200 traders who invested in the celebrity-endorsed token, more than 51,800 realized losses, with 3 traders losing over $1 million. Meanwhile, the YZY token's price is down over 80% from its all-time high, trading at $0.5515, with just 19,531 traders holding the dogshit token. Back to ETH again. Institutional interest in ETH has surged recently, driven by record-breaking ETF inflows. The U.S.-based Ethereum ETF has seen unprecedented demand, with single-day inflows reaching a record $1 billion on August 11th and cumulative net inflows exceeding $13 billion since their July 2024 launch. These investment products continue to attract capital, drawing $39.1 million in net inflows on Thursday and extending their inflow streak to 6 consecutive trading days. ETH ETFs inflows have also outpaced Bitcoin ETF, getting 10 times more capital than BTC ETFs, and showing the current capital rotation into Ethereum. And ETH also continues to grow as a corporate treasury reserve asset, with Bitmine buying 78,791 more ETH, worth $354.6 million. They hold approximately $8 billion worth of ETH, making it the largest corporate holder. Ethereum's network fundamentals appear stronger than ever, with monthly average transactions climbing to 49 million from 31 million in July, representing a 57% increase. Active addresses rose by 24% to 9.6 million over the same period. Weekly DX volumes rose to an all-time high of $39.2 billion in the second week of August. Rising transaction activity, a surge in active addresses, and record DX volumes all suggest that demand for Ethereum is rising. While the total value locked in Ethereum's DeFi protocols dominates at $92 billion, representing 60% of the market share. Ether has been up 195% since April, but has also more than doubled in price in Bitcoin. This rally has resulted in the MACD flashing a bullish cross on the ETH BTC monthly chart for the first time in 5 years. The last time this happened was in June 2020, preceding a 270% rise in the ETH-BTC trading pair and culminating in a 2,300% rally in ETH-USD to an all-time high of $4,867 in November 2021. A similar scenario could now play out with a parabolic rally. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Your support really means a lot. See you in the next one.